This is CryptoCake Weekly Update with BitBoy Crypto.
Welcome to CryptoCake Weekly Update. This week, the price of Bitcoin has acted extremely volatile, while Grayscale and Microstrategy beefed up their crypto holdings. But first, the Federal Trade Commission in the United States is going after Facebook. There has been mounting pressure since well before the election to build a case against the social media giant. The fact is, Facebook has too much power. Decentralization flies in the face of that. But they're not alone. Amazon, Google's company Alphabet, Twitter, Apple, and other tech giants are also quickly becoming targets for lawsuits and attacks from civil, state, and federal attorneys. The tide has changed when it comes to social media and big tech. This is very similar to what we encountered when the government decided to go after Microsoft in the early 2000s. People believed Microsoft was growing far too powerful, centralized, and was creating a tech monopoly. Ultimately, Microsoft was broken up. Bill Gates stepped down, and Apple emerged as the true winner. Facebook now is ultimately too powerful, and it makes sense if you think about it. They stole all of our data, if you remember, a few years ago. They monopolized our family pictures, groups, and business pages. Now they're trying to monopolize the way America thinks. People on both sides of the aisle agree this is not the way a tech company should be operating. In the FTC lawsuit, Facebook is accused of limiting the amount of competition in their market with anti-competitive practices since its very beginnings. And as the years have gone by and people have seen the ingenuity coming from the Winklevoss twins, the first Bitcoin billionaires, first movers in Bitcoin, and the owners of the Gemini crypto exchange, it's not a huge leap to believe that really Mark Zuckerberg himself was engaging in anti-competitive practices even before Facebook launched. If you have researched the subject at all, you would know the evidence is clear that he stole the idea of Facebook from the twins. Regulators are now focusing on the violations and scope of the Facebook monopoly. And I, for one, am hoping they don't get a get-out-of-jail-free card. Bitcoin has seen quite the volatile action over the week in regards to the price. A key support level of $18,000 is becoming a psychological place of comfort for many investors and traders. When Bitcoin is above that number, people feel safe and comfortable. When it is under that, investors are more scared than a groundhog who sees his own shadow. One day, analysts explain how Bitcoin's going to 25K, only to change their prediction to 14K or 16K in the short term. The very next day, $18,000 is the hinge between Bitcoin swinging bullish or bearish from a psychological perspective, which is really the only perspective that matters since charts map out human psychology based on financial market decisions. This week, both Microstrategy and Grayscale added huge amounts to their crypto portfolios. Microstrategy is holding a private company offering to raise $550 million to buy more Bitcoin. Kind of like your friend in college who always was trying to raise gas money because they had spent all of their money on Pokemon cards. And now, he's richer than you. Grayscale, the company behind the crypto trusts on the stock market, added 100,000 Ethereum to their portfolio this week. Last week, they performed a 9-to-1 stock split for the Grayscale Ethereum Trust. These two powerful moves indicate that Grayscale is expecting the demand for Ethereum to skyrocket. Target, moon. Obviously, because crypto. Thank you for watching CryptoCake Weekly Update. Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss the week's vital crypto news. I'm BitBoy Crypto, signing off. See you next week.